subscriber was saying, how y'all doing? I am back today with another video. Of course, you read the title already. Today, I'll be teaching you how I make my chicken enchiladas. So, I've never made chicken enchiladas before. I always do beef. So, this is kind of new to me, but it's kind of not new to me. But in another video, I will teach you how I do the beef enchiladas. Alright, so if you are a returning subscriber, hi love, welcome back. And if you are a new subscriber, or if you have not subscribed yet, what you doing? Make that happen, okay? And if you don't follow me on none of my platforms, my social media platforms, make sure you make that happen by dropping down to the description below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Season, so like I said, you don't have to put that much season on it just because of the enchilada sauce that I'm going to use. It's going to be spicy also, and the way that you're going to do it is you'll just see. All right, so we're going to place this in here, and we're going to put it on 400 and let it cook for, let's say, 25 minutes. We're gonna let it cook for 25 minutes and then I will be right back. My chicken is done. I had my stove on preheat, but it's ready now. And I do have my rice on right now. I forgot to tell y'all that I'm gonna make this Mexican rice. So if you haven't noticed, this is like a Taco Tuesday type of meal. Today is Monday. I just wanted to go ahead and record the video for y'all, so maybe you could, if you want to do it tomorrow for Taco Tuesday, you can try it out. But yeah, I got everything on right now. I'm about to show y'all how I, spruce up these enchiladas, okay? So, let's go ahead and do it. Alright y'all, and this is the finishing touches. So of course you're not gonna let it stay up in there until it's brown, but you're gonna let it, you see, you're gonna let it get a little, whatever you call it, a little tender or whatnot. Okay. Alright y'all, and this is the finishing touches. I highly recommend, if you put this enchilada sauce on top of your enchiladas, not to put it on all of the enchiladas, only put it on the ones that you are going to eat, because they are going to get soggy if you put it on there and you don't eat it. Okay, so only put it on there when you are about to eat your enchilada. But yeah, this is the finishing touches. It's the presentation for me. Let me go ahead, let me get a little taste test of the rice. Y'all, I try to do I can't even remember the name of the Mexican restaurant in my hometown. So I try to be like a little El Ranchero or something. Rice, 100. Hold on, I gotta cut my enchilada. And it ain't too spicy either, it's just right. I love spicy food. But with this, being that the enchilada sauce is, they got two different types of enchilada sauce. They got mild and they got medium. I always get medium because, like I said, I like spicy food. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Yeah. They the one right here. I'm trying to say, hey, y'all should try this. Y'all really gotta try this this recipe. I'm gonna put everything that I use in the description below because I feel like I left something out in the video.
during the whole process, but yeah, this is the one, not the two. And like I said, this is my first time making chicken enchiladas. I usually make beef. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to make beef enchiladas, even though it's the same exact process. But I'm gonna show y'all. All right. So I'm about to stuff my face because I hate cold food. All right. So I appreciate y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that. Make sure you leave a like or a comment, you know, or whatever. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.